Hello everyone, it's Eran Noam Katz from King David Legacy Center near the Temple Mount, Jerusalem, Israel. Today I would like to speak about King Solomon seals. Many people ask me, I bought the seals, but it doesn't work. I don't see the blessing. I don't think it's working. So I always give the example of you bought an iPhone, but you didn't charge it to the electricity. So the battery is off. So you have the iPhone, but it doesn't work. Like a TV. You didn't plug it to the electricity. It won't work. You need to do some praise, like in a meaning way. It's called in Hebrew Kabbalah, to operate, to run the seals. I would like to show you some seals today, and we will learn a little bit. This seals is for protection. So you can see the Hebrew holy names which we need to operate these seals. This kind of King Solomon seals is not a jewelry. It's in Hebrew it's called klaf, the one that we use to write the Torah script. So it's also a very powerful kameh, and you can order this kind of kameh, King Solomon seals, also on a cloth, on a leather, a real leather. And those, the Holy Script, this seals is for people, bad people that you don't want around you. They have a bad influence on you. So this seals is for that. Many people try to get higher on the spiritual level. This seals is open a spiritual issue, so you can get high or higher with this seals, King Solomon seal. This is a little view of the King David Legacy Center from Jerusalem. We are in Yanai 3 Street. My phone number, you can WhatsApp me 24/6 972 53 525 9373. Thank you for listening. Shalom, shalom.